Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm going to show you how I mix and make my black African liquid soap. I do love my black African soap in the liquid state because it's very easy to use and a little bit goes a very long way. You are going to agree with me that with the liquid state, sometimes you leave pieces in your bath, and that will leave you with a lot of work to do afterwards. That is why I prefer it in the liquid state. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So first of all, I have here some crystal soap base and I've cut it into very little pieces. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to melt it up. I've got here some shea butter too. This is just about 50 grams. And I have here my black African soap. So as you can see, my soap base has melted up. I will come in with about 100 ml of goat's milk. And I'll come in with about 50 ml of lemon juice. Next, I'll come in with my melted shea butter. Then I'll drop in about 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Finally, I'll come in with my black soap. Since the liquid is very warm, it's going to help melt it up. So I'll just give it a little stir and allow it to melt on its own. I'll leave this alone for about 3 hours, and by the time I come back, it will all be melted up. So it's been about 4 hours, and as you can see, it's melted up very well. So I'll get a container ready. This is big enough to contain everything. With the help of a funnel, I'll just transfer my soap into my bottle. And this is how I use it. I just take a little bit and just put it on my face. I rub it on my face and on my chin area and on my neck area as well. As you know, goat's milk is very great for the skin. Both goat's milk and lemon juice contain brightening properties, so this will help even out your skin tone. I'll leave this on my face for about 1 minute and I'll just wash it off. And after you wash it off, you'll feel that instant freshness. As you know, African black soap can be very drying to the skin. That is why I did add the shea butter. This will help reduce the dryness. If you don't have shea butter, you can use coconut oil instead. So this is it. This is my go-to face wash and my skin wash as well. Okay guys, so I hope you did love this and I hope you are going to give it a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.